Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, you will learn how to make Chinese cabbage with origami paper. In this video, you will learn how to make it. Before it, you have to take a origami paper that is in a square shape. Now, you have to make it with some steps that I show you how to make it. In this video, I will show you steps with some animation videos to make it. So let us start today's topic. Now I will show you some steps to make it. See, step first, fold in the dotted line. Step 2. Fold backward in the dotted line. Step 3. Step fold in the dotted line. Step 5. Fold in the dotted line. Step 6. Fold in the dotted line. Step 7. Turn over. And last step 8. Draw lips and finished. In the last step you have to draw the lips with pens. Make it beautiful and our cabbage is finished. If you enjoy my video, please like it, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. For more videos, press the bell icon. We will come back in next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.